Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most useful wooden projects. New and trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I'm back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden projects. New and trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different one another. Every design is beautiful and trendy, mind-blowing designs and ideas you can see. If you want to buy these very beautiful wooden projects, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful wooden projects easily. These websites in very reasonable price. Highly running ideas you can see. So beautiful, most beautiful. You can easily make these very beautiful wooden projects if you know woodworking ideas. Easy to make beautiful and trendy wooden projects and decorate your room, your lounge, beautiful and trendy stylish woodworking ideas.